For my classification and captivation assignment, I decided to start by separating the objects into two groups. The first group was items that are used just for enjoyment versus items that actually have a practical function. So in that, I separated the enjoyment category into two categories. The first one is enjoyment of cats. So these are things that someone would own if they enjoyed cats. The next category is just items that have the same shape, and all of these don't really have much functionality. They're either decorative or like the candles for smell or the massager. So all these I put together. The next one is where my functional categories start, and both of these items are used for personal hygiene. For the next category, the function of all of these items have to do with food and beverages. For this category, the function is their household functions, so like sweeping, fixing things around the house. And the last one is functional items that you would find in an office.